vape. I feel more defiant when y'all hate. Yeah, the only niggas running in the car race. Serve a nigga with a butter like parquet. Rap niggas all soft, so strong, Jay. I'm a little bit of Pac, bit of Kanye. You a little bit of Fox and Beyonce. Any beef gonna be get sauteed. Y'all the fake ones running with a hard face. Bet that pump to your tongue make your heart race. And I hope you take it all the wrong way. Then you slump near the bum near the wrong place. This red light put your ass in a dark place. You a real nigga, get your motherfucking hands up. You a real nigga, get your motherfucking hands up. You a real nigga, get your motherfucking hands up. You a real nigga, get your motherfucking hands up. Celebration, coronation, no debating. Crown me king, I'm tired of waiting. People champ, I gotta face it. You disgracing people, sense it that you're faking. I'm the Lord, I'm Michael Satan with the flow and take him out, annihilate him. No mistaken, new sensation, hood pope, pulling up to rule the nation. And I came a long way from the stash house. Now I switch spots like a Dalmatian. Little kid paid by the crack house. Yeah, they got my mom's out with my ass paid. Gotta understand when I black out. I don't give a fuck about a whack hater. I don't give a fuck about a rap paper. Need to bow to the Lord, say, oh, you're